You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, meaning literally cry of the cat. This is a French phrase generally associated with a genetic disorder, a syndrome. So let's break down how it is pronounced in French and then how you can easily say it in English. The French pronunciation is as cri du chat. Cri is French for cry or a shout. Du chat, chat is French for cat with a silent T. Cri du chat. In English, the pronunciation is similar as cri du chat syndrome. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.